So today we're going to be looking at a P0031 and a 37, trying to diagnose one of them, which they're the same bank 1 sensor 2 and bank 1 sensor 1, so heater control circuit low for both oxygen sensors. So this is an 03 Subaru, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it, how to check it basically. So I got all data here for P0031. Here's the circuit if you guys need a schematic. The only thing I noticed, it doesn't show you the wire colors or anything, but it's pretty simple. On this one we're going to check for 10 ohms between terminal 2 and ground. So I'm going to set that out. So I got my meter here, 10 volts, or basically battery voltage. So I got a ground right here on the intake, and then so you guys can see, I'm going to test my meter, make sure it's working fine. As you can see, 12 volts right there. So basically I'm going to go here, I'm going to back probe the O2 sensor connector, which would be number 1 in ground, and we got 11.9, which is good. So if you want to follow this, you can, which I'm not, because I already found my voltage good to the O2 sensor, and it's setting a heater circuit code, not a oxygen sensor code. So basically, if you guys can follow, you can follow this if you guys want. Here's the other piece. Basically what I'm going to do from here, since I know my circuit going to it is good, just the power of it, I know that's good, and it's setting a heater circuit code. So I'm going to unplug it, set my meter to ohms, go from here. My heater circuit will be the 2 black wires, so unplug that one, get my back probes, and I'm just going to check the heater circuit, make sure if it's open, see if it's open or not. So I got it in there, and we got nothing, it's open. So that's why it's setting the code, because we got an open circuit in it. And I can show you guys from the front just to make sure that it's making a good connection. Make sure you don't touch them with your hands, otherwise you're going to complete the circuit and get false readings. So as you can see, it's open. I got another one here that I can show you guys what it should kind of read. I don't know if this one's good or not, so we're going to test it too. I think it came out of Subaru too. It's a similar connector and sensor. So the heater circuit would be the black wires. So let's get it in here. Let's get the other one. And as you can see, they're not touching, and we got 1.8. So that tells me that the circuit in here, and this sensor, and this O2 sensor is good for the heater. Or it doesn't tell me that it's good, but it tells me the circuit is completed, I guess. You can complete a circuit inside the sensor. And this one tells me that the circuit's open. And that other one, it's a complete circuit. I guess I can show you guys from the front on this one too. And nothing. Oil open. So we know our heater circuit's open on this one. So we basically need an O2 sensor. I guess another thing we could try, I could try plugging this one in and see if it takes care of it. We can clear the code and see. So we got it plugged in. I'll put you guys over here. So we're gonna go here. Okay, we're gonna go to clear him. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna turn the key off and turn it back on. So we turn the key back on. We're gonna read codes. It's gonna be a Subaru. And wait for it. No fault codes. So we're gonna go back and just do that one more time. She's probably gonna reset the bank 2 one, but not the bank 1. That'll be my guess. Oh, gotta let it think a little bit. See if anything reset. So no DTCs. It probably hasn't run the code because I need to start it. That would be my guess. But if I start it now, it's gonna set a different code because it's not screwed into the exhaust. But I'm probably gonna have to get a new one, put it on, and then create the code to start it and see what happens. But that's basically an easy way to check your heated circuit on your O2 sensor. Just take your meter, go across the 2 black ones, check your ohm reading. If you got an open like I do on this one, then you know your O2 sensor circuit's open, so you need an O2 sensor. And if you guys got a different problem, like a circuit problem or something like that, then you can follow this right here. Here it is, so you guys can see it. This, and it'll be basically the same thing for the rear, following kind of this diagnostic right here. Just check your, if you're setting the same code, check your heater circuit, make sure it's not open like it is in this one. And there's the schematics for the front. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps.